Welcome to Cyventra Technologies. We transform ideas into secure digital solutions that power businesses for the future. From website development to enterprise cloud infrastructure, we help organizations build and scale with confidence. Our expert developers create modern, responsive, and high-performance websites that deliver exceptional user experiences. We build intelligent IoT solutions, connecting people, devices, and businesses through secure automation. Accelerate your digital transformation with secure cloud migration, deployment, and managed cloud services. We protect your infrastructure against modern cyber threats before they become incidents. Our DevSecOps and Cloud Security Solutions integrate security into every stage of your software development lifecycle. We leverage artificial intelligence to detect threats faster, strengthen security, and enable smarter business decisions. Our experts design resilient networks while ensuring your critical business data is always protected and recoverable. From Microsoft 365, Zoho Workplace, and Google Workspace to dedicated technical support, we keep your teams productive every day. Whatever your technology goals, Cyventra Technologies is your trusted partner for innovation, security, and digital transformation. Our vision is to empower businesses with secure technology. This creates limitless possibilities for tomorrow.
Cyventra Technologies. Build, secure, innovate, together.